Hello, I saw your question on discussion board. It was 4.27. You completed part A correctly. You found y hat to be equal to negative 3.043x plus 88.404. In the equation, I mean, you're given a bunch of values. X is the number of days absent. Oops. Missed an S there. Absent. It's supposed to be an S in there. Number of days absent in a class, and then Y is the final grade in that class. So a person misses 0 days or 1 day or 2 days, etc. Coefficient of X is the slope. And the question is, what does that represent? Well, for each day absent, the grades will fall or decrease by 3.043. You know, if you put 1 in here or 2 in here, each time you increment it increases by a value of 1. The total value y hat's on decrease by negative 3.043 or fall by that amount. Hope that helps.